Hi, welcome to Meen Man Cooks. This is Harish Vijay Kumar, the Meen Man, and Mom.
Hi, welcome to Meen Man Cooks. In today's episode, we'll be showing you how to make a yummy, hot and sweet papaya pachidi. So now let's take a look at the ingredients required. Raw papaya, half will do. Half a cup of grated jaggery. Salt to taste. Oil for seasoning. Chili powder for the spice. And in the oil, we'll season with jeera, mustard and red chilies. And some fresh curry leaves also. So now shall we go and see the cooking process? So we've put the pan on the gas. It's getting a little hot. So let's add just about a tablespoon of oil. It's getting heated. Just a little mustard. Now let's add the jeera. This browns very fast. And the red chilies. I'm adding the curry leaves. We saw the raw papaya and the ingredients. We've peeled it, removed the seeds and cut it into small pieces. Let's add the papaya now. So now let's add some water. And salt. You can add the chili powder now, or you could have added it in the oil also. That helps in the raw smell to go faster. This should take about 7 to 8 minutes. It should be cooked well but not mushy. Then it's time for us to add the jaggery. Raw papaya is a very good tenderizer. You could add a piece when cooking mutton, especially if you're cooking in the microwave. Mutton doesn't cook very quickly in the microwave. Then if you add a piece of raw papaya, it helps in cooking it faster and softer. So it's taken about approximately 10 minutes and it's almost cooked. We need it a little crunchy, not mushy as I said. Now it's time for us to add the grated jaggery. The jaggery needs to melt completely and blend with the pieces and the chili powder. Since this is nice and sweet and spicy and hot, it goes well with jeera rice, coconut milk rice, puri, roti. Even with bread it tastes good. You can top it on a legit papad, spicy papad also and have it. It's a nice starter. So it started bubbling, which means it will thicken very fast. It's time for us to bring it off the gas. And it's ready to be served. I'm sure you enjoyed viewing the raw papaya pachidi. Do try it. Chamu, my sister-in-law, she was very kind to send the organically grown papayas from her garden through Meen Man himself. Thank you very much for it, and please do try, ladies and gentlemen viewing this recipe. Log in to meenman.com for the recipe. Thank you.